Are you tired of dealing with dry, flaky, or irritated skin? And doesn't matter how much moisturizer or cream you apply on the daily basis, it still doesn't help. Well, don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you this homemade solution that is going to completely transform your skin, leaving it hydrated, soft, and glowing. And the best part is that you can make this natural skin savior right at home easily with some natural ingredients. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm a board certified physician with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. Dry skin or irritated skin is a major problem several people are suffering from, especially if you have thyroid issues, Hashimoto's issues, psoriasis, or any other skin conditions that make your skin especially very dry and very irritated. The problem is that the over-the-counter creams or moisturizers which are available do not work in these conditions. The reason being, most of these creams and moisturizer are not penetrating deep enough in your skin and not healing the third layer of your skin. And the other reason is that most of these are filled with different kind of chemicals which actually makes the skin even worse on the long-term basis. So that's the reason I started making this cream especially for our household, and since the time we never had any skin problems because it is made with all the natural ingredients and it works on all the different layers of the skin. So that's what I'm going to share with you. First, let me share with you the ingredients of this solution and how they actually help your skin, and then I'm going to tell you exactly how to prepare it and when to use it. The first ingredient in this list is cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is specially rich in fatty acids that can deeply penetrate your skin and heal your skin at the deepest level. The second reason of using cocoa butter in this recipe is that it forms a protective layer on your skin and thereby locking in the natural moisture over there. The second ingredient to use over here is almond oil. Almond oil is very high in vitamin E. This vitamin E is really good for repairing the damaged skin, as well as it also protects the skin from any more damage. The second reason of using almond oil is that it has very high anti-inflammatory properties. Most of the people are not able to tolerate different creams or oils because their skin is very sensitive. Now the good news is that most people will tolerate almond oil. In fact, it will help to soothe your skin and also reduces redness on your skin also. So that's the reason almond oil is the second ingredient over here. The third ingredient on this list is coconut oil. Coconut oil has something called lauric acid and also medium chain fatty acids. Both of these things will help to nourish your skin and also moisturizes your skin in a very natural way. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, so that protects your skin from any kind of infections that it might be exposed to. So when you combine all of these three ingredients, you are creating a nourishing, a protective, and a soothing treatment for your dry skin that is going to leave your skin soft, smooth, and glowing in a few days itself. Now, how to prepare this drink? Let's talk about that. Now, to prepare this solution, first of all, it is very important not to boil or overheat any of the butters we are using because that destroys the good fatty acids in them. So to prepare this solution, either you need to have a double boiler or use a heat safe bowl. What you need to do is that on a pot or a pan, you put 2 cups of water and then you start boiling that water. And then in that other heat safe bowl, you add 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter and then 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then take that heat safe bowl and put it in that simmering water so that it can slowly heat your cocoa butter and coconut oil so that both of them can melt. Make sure they do not get overheated, and as soon as they both get melted, you remove it from that heat. And then in this mixture, you add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. You mix all of these 3 ingredients together really very well. Now, if you want this solution to smell well, then you can add some natural lavender essential oil. Just a couple of drops is good enough. Lavender oil actually is really good for your skin because again, it has calming properties for your skin also. Now you need to let this mixture cool down until it solidifies. Either you can keep it in the refrigerator to accelerate the process, or you can just leave it at the room temperature and wait for it to solidify. And then when you see that the mixture is solidifying partially, that's a time you have to whip this mixture. Either you can use a hand mixer to whip this solution, or either you can just use a spoon and then you can use that to whip it all together. And this will make it into a really fluffy cream. Now you can transfer this body butter or cream into a clean airtight jar and you can store it in a cool and the dry place. Now, initially when you're starting to use this cream, make sure you're using it twice a day. The first time you use it is after you take your shower. Immediately after bathing or taking a shower, you apply this cream. And the next time is that before your bedtime is where you apply this cream next time. You will notice a big difference in your dry, irritated skin just in few days if you use this mixture consistently twice a day. Make sure you are hydrating yourself with enough water. So 8 to 10 glasses of water is really very important. If you add some lemon or lime to this water, it has a high amount of vitamin C, which is really good for your skin also. So now you have it, this natural solution which can help you improve your dry, irritated skin in a natural fashion for yourself. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with your loved ones so they can also benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.